Hello, cooking with AI and crypto. Today, I have a delicious crispy fried cod recipe for you. Get ready to savor the flavors of perfectly fried cod fillets that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Let's dive right into it. Crispy fried cod. Ingredients. For cod fillets, about 6 ounces each. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for some heat. Salt and pepper, to taste. 1 cup buttermilk, or regular milk. Vegetable oil, for frying. Lemon wedges, for serving. Instructions. Start by patting the cod fillets dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. This will help the batter stick better. In a shallow dish, combine the flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, if using, salt, and pepper. Mix the dry ingredients well. Pour the buttermilk, or regular milk, into another shallow dish. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. You'll want enough oil to come about halfway up the sides of the fish fillets when they are placed in the pan. Dip each cod fillet into the buttermilk, allowing any excess to drip off. Then, dredge the fillet in the flour mixture, coating it evenly on all sides. Shake off any excess flour. Carefully place the coated cod fillets into the hot oil. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until the fish turns golden brown and becomes crispy. Once the fish is cooked through and nicely fried, remove it from the oil using a slotted spoon and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve the crispy fried cod immediately with lemon wedges on the side. You can also add some tartar sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your crispy and flavorful fried cod. It pairs well with coleslaw, French fries, or a simple green salad for a complete meal. Remember to be cautious when frying, and always dispose of used oil responsibly. Bon appetit!